Law number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. One day, Michael III, the emperor of the Byzantine Empire, was walking through his city. While passing by the city stables, a wild horse got loose, and Basilius, a peasant, threw himself in front of the horse and saved the king's life. Michael immediately raised Basilius from peasant to head of stables, and later to a sophisticated courtier. In time, they became inseparable, and Michael loved him like a brother. In need of someone loyal, instead of appointing Bardas, his uncle, who was intelligent and ambitious, he ignored everyone's advice and picked Basilius to be his chief counselor. I mean, who better to trust than his friend who owed him everything: his wealth, education, his power. In turn, Basilius repaid him the ultimate favor. He killed Michael in his chamber while he was sleeping after a long night of drinking. He proclaimed himself emperor and rode his horse through Byzantium with Michael's head on a pike. Michael created a monster when he showed a man power up close, granting him every wish, making him insatiable and greedy, lusting for more while thinking he earned everything himself. In the realm of power, always trust from a distance. In using or hiring friends, remember, skill and competence are far more important than friendly feelings.